Today I'm going to teach you how to set up WooCommerce Payment Gateway in India. This is particularly useful if you're running an online store and want to accept payments from Indian customers using a reliable local payment solution. Let's walk through the setup process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to wordpress.com. Once you're there, log into your WordPress account if you haven't already done so. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your WooCommerce dashboard. After logging in, look at the left navigation menu and locate plugins. Click on it and an expanded set of options will appear. From these options, select Add Plugin. This will take you to the plugins marketplace where you can browse and install various extensions for your WooCommerce store. On the plugins page, you'll see a wide variety of available plugins that you can add and utilize for your WooCommerce account. Look for the search bar at the top of the page and type in Cash Free. From the search results, find the plugin specifically called Cash Free for WooCommerce. Before installing, click on More Details to review the overview of this plugin. This will help you understand its features and functions, ensuring it meets your needs. Once you're satisfied, click on Install Now. The installation might take a little while to complete, so be patient as WordPress processes everything. Once the installation finishes, you'll see an Activate button appear. Go ahead and click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After your page refreshes, direct your attention back to the left navigation panel. Click on WooCommerce and an expanded menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings. You'll now be on the WooCommerce settings page. Look at the top part of your screen where you'll see multiple tabs. Click on the Payments tab to access the section where you can add and configure payment gateways commonly used in India. On the Payments page, you'll notice a new option labeled Cash Free Payment has been added after activating the plugin. To enable this payment gateway, simply click the toggle switch or Enable button next to it. Then click on Manage to access the configuration settings. This is where you'll integrate the payment gateway with your WooCommerce store. You'll need to fill in two critical pieces of information: the app ID and the secret key. These credentials are provided by Cashfree when you sign up for their merchant account, so make sure you have them ready. Optionally, you can add a description for this payment gateway that will be visible to your customers during checkout. Once you've entered all the required information and configured the settings to your preference, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. Your system will process these updates and integrate Cashfree as an active payment option on your WooCommerce store. And that's it. You've successfully set up Cashfree Payment Gateway for your Indian customers on WooCommerce. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.